Namaskar everyone. Here is a famous saying, unity is strength. The story of a farmer and his sons teaches us the lesson that unity makes the people strong. The title of my story is The Old Farmer and His Four Sons. Once upon a time, an old farmer lived in a village with his four sons. His sons always quarreled among themselves. One day, the farmer fell ill. He called his sons to teach them a lesson. He asked them to bring a bundle of sticks and then to break it. Each of them tried, but nobody could break it. Then he opened the bundle. He asked them to break one stick each. Now each of them broke his stick easily. The father told them that if you are united, nobody can harm you. If you quarrel, you will suffer. These words worked magic. They promised to live in peace. The moral of the story is, united we stand, divided we fall. United we stand, divided we fall. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.